Hi guys, welcome back to our channel BPO Coder. If you're new to this channel, then please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. Today in this video, we are going to see how to create a waterfall chart in VB Excel. So to create a waterfall chart in VB Excel, we have the data over here, which has a category and its value. And this is the macro button in which I have assigned a VBA code to create a waterfall chart in VBA Excel. So first we will be seeing the output, and then we will be having a deep explanation and the understanding about the code to create a waterfall chart using VBA Excel. So let's see the output first. So as you can see on the screen that this is a waterfall chart in VBA Excel, which has increase, decrease and total values over here with a chart title and its data labels. Now let's dive into our VBA editor and let's see what all codes has to be written to create this amazing waterfall chart in VBA Excel. So this is the VBA editor and this is the sub procedure to create a waterfall chart, and this is one of the simplest code to create a waterfall chart in VBA Excel. Now let's see what all codes has to be written to create this type of chart. So first we are going to select a single cell inside our data, which is E4, using range E4.select, and then we are going to type in the next line ActiveSheet.Shapes.AddChart2, and inside the brackets we are going to give the parameters. Now let's see what these parameters are. First we are going to give the chart value, and then we are going to give the chart type. So for this video we are going to create a waterfall chart, so the chart type will be Excel waterfall. After that we are going to give the left parameter to position our chart, and then we are going to close the bracket and type dot select to create and select the waterfall chart and place it in the left position of 320. After that what we are going to do is we are going to use a with statement, which will help us to add the title and delete the axis value, as well as remove the grid lines from the waterfall chart. Now let's see how we can do this. First we are going to type width, and then we are going to type active chart. So once your chart is created and selected, it becomes your active chart. So that's why we have written active chart over here. Once it's done, below that we are going to type dot hash title equals to true, which means this line of code indicates to VBA Excel that our chart title is there inside the chart which we are creating. After that we are going to select the chart title first, so that's why this line of code is important, which is not chart title dot select. So it is selecting the chart title inside our chart. Then we are going to type selection dot caption equals to, and then we are going to give what chart title has to be there. So for this video I have kept waterfall chart in VBA Excel as my chart title. You can modify this as per your choice. After that what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete the value axis, as we have already mentioned, or as we can already see while creating a waterfall chart. By default the VBA code has shown us the data values, so we are going to delete the value axis. How we will be doing it? We will be typing dot axis, and inside the bracket it will be Excel value, and outside the bracket we will be typing dot delete. Once you have written this line of code, your value access will be deleted. After that, we are going to remove the grid lines inside our chart. So to remove the grid lines inside our chart, we are going to type dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to give MSO element primary value grid lines none. Once you have given this line of code or written this line of code, your grid lines from your chart will be removed. After that, we are going to use the end with line to end the with statement by typing end with. After that, we are going to select any single cell or any single empty cell inside a worksheet to deselect our chart. As you can see that we have already selected our chart over here. So to deselect our chart, we are going to select any empty cell. For this video, I have selected range A3 as my empty cell. So congratulations, you have learned how to create a waterfall chart in VBA Excel. If you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. Till then, have a great day from BPO Coder. Bye.